So you did it. You made the decision to go ahead and join my group. Let me walk you through the process. Whether you found this under one of my videos or a friend shared it with you, there are two packages. So if you signed up for the first package, which is the consultation package, I want you to understand what you're going to get. First and foremost, no nonsense. I have been doing this for 7 years on YouTube. I don't sell a course. I don't believe in that. The personal interaction is incredible. So, as soon as you sign up, let me take you down here. It's two packages. The basic difference is both of them contain my consultation and access to an elite, unlimited group that you cannot buy your way into. There's no other way to get in other than me inviting you in or you having a consultation. Consultation package 1 gives you access to everything which I will describe. Consultation package 2, okay? If you signed up for the mentor package, you're going to have everything I mentioned above, the personal consultation, which I'm going to get into detail right now, okay? And then something very special, a 30 days in session. This means after our first appointment together, okay, 30 days later, you and we schedule right after the first appointment, your next time that you and I are going to talk. I'm going to dedicate my personal time to you. And I am going to go over and give you a recap. I am going to address any weaknesses that you have. And I am going to make sure that you are able to get the results that you see me get on YouTube and that you literally see me get every time I make a video. Now, what happens? So let's say you choose your package. We only deal in Bitcoin. If you want to know what that is in dollars, you're going to go here and you're going to go BTC to USD, okay, like that. And you could do it to whatever, the English pound, whatever, okay, and put it in. So you're going to email, even better. You're going to click the link, right, under either one. Here's how it starts. Your journey begins. I promise you this will change your life. This took me, look, I am a crypto millionaire from this business. Just give me a first name. You could be Crypto Johnny. An email. Choose your option. Now, this is very cheap. There were times in the past, and people will tell you that it was a half Bitcoin to talk to me. You are not just going to get access to my group. You're going to get the consultation with me. Here on the mentor package, you're going to get 2 consultations. Trust me, that second one, you will pick up things you missed the first time. I can go more into detail. After the first one alone, 99.9% of the people are ready to trade and get started. So you're going to fill this out, okay? I don't even care about the message. You can just say, please provide me your Bitcoin address. We will respond. Now, what happens is when we respond, we give you the BTC address. You send the BTC and your TXID, okay? Once that happens, I will send you a link to my Discord. This is an elite group. Now, this alone is priceless. Let's go over this a little bit. And I'm going to take you there and explain to you. If you've ever been in a Discord before, it's usually a bunch of kids with memes and jokes, and worst of all, many people guessing, making pricing predictions, confusing you. No protocol, no strategy. Everything I do is protocol and strategy. So let's talk about the personalized session with me, okay? I am going to share my screen with you. I am going to show you simple things. Let's just pull up something now. Okay, I'm going to show you the simple basics. There are going to be no indicators, no chart patterns to study, nothing complicated. How simple is this? And how common sense is this? The bigger the candles, the stronger the move. The weaker the candle, the smaller the candle, the weaker the move. One more time. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. Right here, I could ask you, is this red downtrend on the 3-minute chart getting stronger or weaker? Obviously weaker. If you can learn that, I can teach you how to create a daily income that will boggle your mind. We are talking, I've had people leave and make thousands of dollars a day. I interviewed somebody on my channel. I've been doing this for 7 years. I call it War on the 1-Minute Chart. Why? Who cares about staring at the daily, the weekly, the Ichimoku cloud, the Fibonacci sequence, and everyone you see on YouTube? You know that they don't really trade. They'll never show you a trade. So first, I'm going to share my screen with you just like this. First, we're going to go over how I read the chart on the smallest time frames, okay, and how I use a specific strategy. It only goes up and down. I teach you to read this so simply a child can do it. We gamify it. I call it a game of war. Red Army versus the Green Army. Imagine this. Two groups are fighting. We look at the 6 hour, we determine who's winning. We look at the 1 hour, determine our decision of, they call it momentum, we call it direction. We jump on the winning side. All it does is go up and down. We move to the lower time frames and we trade at extremely high leverage, extremely fast, like Wall Street does, high frequency trading. Okay, so I'm going to cover it like this. You're not even going to have a question. I want you to be able to speak and be unmuted. Okay, it'll be an intimate thing. And I am going to answer 99.9% of the questions that are in your head before you ask them. Now, we're going to start with how I read the lower time frames, like the 3-minute and the 1-minute. You're going to start to understand these are like waves of the ocean. Once you understand that, I am going to specifically take you to where to enter, where to exit. You know, most people, they can tell you maybe, oh, enter here. Nobody can tell you when to exit. Many times you'll be up 30, 40% only to lose it. I solve that problem. I teach you exactly when to get out with maximum profit. All of this takes about 1 hour. Once we're done with that, then we move on to specific entries and exits so you understand. Once you understand, I teach you something called the 3-minute cycle to make sure that you don't short a bottom along a top. We are going to remove every bit of emotion that you have. Okay, the emotions are what destroy trades. There will be no more guessing. You will now have an exact, simple protocol to follow that will be like a game of war. Have you ever played Call of Duty? That's what this is. Now let's talk about the support. After your call with me, I'm going to tell you, everyone is the same way. Right? And as we're done, they're like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. I never looked at it this way. I never thought of trading like this. This is life-changing. And then what do you see? What do you see? Now, don't forget, I'm going to teach you and I'm going to stop and make sure you all understand. Okay? Then I'm going to move forward to the next segment. Then we're going to finish off with direction. When to trade, when not to trade, when you have the advantage, when you can cheat. Everything is about cheating. How do you think I win in all my YouTube videos? I know when to trade, and it's a simple game. We attack the enemy when they're weak. Support and resistance has been made up. You know it's been a lie for a long time. It's never worked. What I'm going to teach you is going to be amazing. So, after the consultation, guess what? There's nothing else to buy. There's no more courses. You're never alone. Why? You've joined my Discord group. What is a Discord group? Imagine a place. I imagined a place once. I tried to offer it for free. There's no value in free. Thousands of people. There are scammers and people who weren't committed to the cause. So I stopped letting people in for free. Occasionally people on my newsletter or whatever. But just about everyone in this group has been trained by me. We are not here to post memes. We are not here to make jokes. We are here to help you make money. We are all for one, one for all. It is a cause that we fight for. So I'm going to take you inside my private Discord. I'm going to show you the various rooms. You want to see something funny? Almost the same thing happens every day. Okay? We call it, look, the 1 hour is changing soon. The bus pump may come. Don't short the local bottom. 11:21. Where do you hear that? This bus, look, outside the Discord, and then this. This is called the DTU, Daily Trade Updates. And I traded that, and I told them what time would come. I was like, you ready? Look, at 11:30, I posted this. These are the kind of updates you
Oracle
get.
said it's coming, don't step in front of it. ETA 1:37 p.m. NYC time LOL.
Okay, well, at 1:14, guess what? It pumped. Of course I caught along. Okay? Look at that. Okay? You know what 0.25 of a Bitcoin is worth? It's a quarter of a Bitcoin that costs what, $26,000 now? And a little tiny ETH trade underneath it. But I told them in advance. This was so powerful. I think it was here. I made a video of it. Was this it? No, this is one of my other videos. Where is it? Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's on my other channel. Doesn't matter. Let's keep this going. So when you first, wrong page, when you first jump into my Discord group. So here's where we were. Hold on. We should be not there. Here. Yeah. So when you, here's the Discord, all these rooms. You have access to everything immediately. Your appointment with me is probably going to be 2 weeks away. So the minute you start here, you're going to be welcomed as if you are the long lost, oh, that's the start here room. As if you are, here's the Ravenite room. As if you are the long lost Illuminati. Look at this. They welcome you in, okay? And it's just a great place. You don't see any memes, any jokes, nothing. All the people in blue are brand new, waiting for their consult. Admins are in red, and the people who I trained are in green. Now, I give you lessons. This morning, our full lesson here was on the psychology of trading, and I gave real examples of how many times you start down, and then you come back with crushing victory. Start down, come back with... Doesn't matter. Now, you also have access to the Oracle link room. Then there are all of my YouTube videos consolidated in one place. And this is the most amazing room of all that touches my heart. You will meet all of these people. The minute you pay and sign up, okay, you get access to the Discord, okay? And you can go and read, look, 50 new testimonials. And you can read what these average everyday people are doing, okay? Everyone that's in the group. It's not a call group. They're learning from, look, and it goes on and on. Read that. Read that. What are your returns like? Read that. So you get all this, access to this for life, but all of these people will be here to greet you and help you, okay? Greet you and help you. After our consultation, you move down to here. Everybody here is green. This is the infamous war room, okay? The infamous war room where all of the people that I have trained are trading away 24/7. Immediately after our consultation, you have access to the green room. I'm in here all the time with you. Look.
Brandy Lion said there is nothing like the community Oracle has built here. His knowledge is pure gold. His teachings are diamonds and his followers are loyal and respect him. So proud to be a wolf.
Yeah, this is not the testimony room. This is where we all hang. Okay, now there's other things. You're going to get the start here room. It's going to tell you the times that Bitcoin pumps and dumps, the daily trade manifesto, everything that you need to know. It's very simple, but I'm going to teach you everything. But in the meantime, you're here, you're learning, you're with my people. All right, I'm here every morning. I have posted 570 times. Thank you for pointing it out, Ning, my admin, since July of 2019. 155,000 times here, helping my people, warning them what's coming. Why? So they can have outrageous results. So I hope this helped you. Now, when you get into Discord, it's noisy. You can mute some of the rooms and stocks. We use this BingX exchange to attack the stock market. Earnings are coming up. Once you have a consultation booked with me and you turn green, you get access to the stock room. We do one-night plays and make hundreds of %. No options, no nothing. It's simple. We're the future cash room. There's so much. All of it is included. And, well, you can become part of something, a movement. And what do? We win. And I will personally teach you how to win. You will join us and we will spend our days together. And you tell me, is that a value? It's a hell of a value. Either package. The links are below. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you personally and changing your lives.